Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DigitalOcean step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.digitalocean.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the requirements indicated. After filling out your details, click the Get Started button. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from DigitalOcean. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the DigitalOcean website and log in with your credentials. Now, you will need to select a billing method. Choose between credit card or PayPal options for your payment. If you select credit card, enter the required card details. If you opt for PayPal, follow the prompts to link your account. After entering your billing information, click on Add Payment Method. You may then be prompted to choose a plan that suits your needs. Browse through the various options and select the plan you prefer. Once you've made your selection, click the Create Account button. DigitalOcean will process your account setup. You should now see a confirmation message indicating your account has been created. To access your DigitalOcean dashboard, click on Go to Control Panel. Now you are ready to start exploring DigitalOcean's features and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.